We've been spending a lot of time at home due to COVID, and it began to weigh on us how unpolished and unused parts of our basement were. This room was unfinished with no drywall, and it desperately needed a change to happen. So we made it happen. We hired a contractor, and they put up wooden studs and drywall, making previously unfinished areas part of the house again. But when he got to this area under the stairs, he called it dead space. He wanted to wall it off so that no one would be able to go there. This seemed like a waste to us. Our family likes to make the most out of what we have, and so we asked them to leave it as it is, and we could finish it ourselves later. It would be less work for them. This is the original blueprint for the area, which was noted as an optional walk-in closet. We didn't get it finished when the house was built, but they say the best time to plant an apple tree is 20 years ago, and the second best time is today. Our inspiration was to make it like the cupboard under the stairs in which Harry Potter lived at 4 Privet Drive. And just like Harry Potter had a cozy little bedroom there, which I'm sure he loved, we wanted to make something out of this space where somebody could read in, take a nap, or enjoy the company of cats. So we cleaned up the space, vacuumed, mopped, and moved out the drywall and wood. We started to whitewash the stairs and some of the wood too to brighten up the space. We also added a shelf for books. This is my favorite picture here, and it looks quite heavenly. We could do more, such as painting the walls, adding more shelves, and changing the flooring, but for now, this setup works fine for us. This is a little overview of where we introduced my cat Billy to the new space. The term dead space describes the empty, unused, and sometimes forgotten spaces of your home. Every house and soul has some empty space which could use brightening. Maybe it's a closet that is never opened, or a sunny corner which could use a potted plant. But we can also reclaim dead space by nurturing parts of ourselves which need attention. For example, teaching a recipe which you haven't made in a few years to somebody who's learning how to cook is a great way to rekindle a passion and to also share your experience with others. Reclaiming dead space is filling emptiness with light. So now, what will you do with the opportunities you may have overlooked?